Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. You know, I've been a long time bullet caster for years, and you know, I've casted a 380, 9mm, 45 ACP, 45 long Colt, 44 Magnum, even 45-70. You know, I've got quite the collection of bullet molds. The one thing I always fought with casting lead bullets, and more importantly shooting lead bullets, is that when I got above velocities exceeding 1100 feet per second, I would have leading problems in my barrels. I mean, even as, you know, quickly as 50 or 60 rounds. You know, and I experimented trying to get the Lyman #2 recipe. You know, it's a harder alloy. I'd go out and buy, you know, plumber solder and get linotype and the other alloys to make it harder. So I started, I actually stopped casting bullets several years ago, and I've kind of fallen out of touch with the technology of bullets. And nowadays, they have powder coating, and these are polymer coated bullets from Badman bullets out of Oregon. So I talked to the gentleman, and I've actually got 1,000 of the 380 ACP 95 grainers. But you know what? I can also load them in my 9mm, because the 380 and 9mm share the same bullet size. I think I was measuring these nominally at 0.356 inches in diameter. And I'm using the Hodgdon powder CFE pistol. So you know what? I'm pretty happy with the results. Yesterday I did a video. I was talking about the economies of reloading your own rounds. You know, these bullets shipped were $70 for 1,000, so that puts it right around 7 cents a bullet. And you know, I can get primers. You know, I shoot the CCI small pistol primers. I can get those for around 30-31 bucks 1,000, so that's another 3 cents, so that's 13 cents. And I did a quick math with the pistol powder. You figure you get $32 a pound. Well, there's 7,000 grains in a pound of powder, and I'm only dropping, you know, anywhere from 4 grains to 4.2 grains, and the math comes out to like $16.67. Bottom line, I think the cost is slightly under 2 cents for the powder. And of course, the brass, you know, I've collected, I've got well over 1,000 empties of 9mm. I'm starting to get a collection of the 380. You know, after a while, you start accumulating brass, and eventually the brass is going to pay for itself. So we figure 7 and 3 is 10, another 2 cents. That's 12 cents a round. And my time to load, you know, this progressive press, I can crank out, you know, a ton of rounds in an hour. So I guess you all got to ask yourself, do I continue going to like Walmart or some of these other places and you know, spending 18 to 20 bucks for 100, which, you know, eventually, I mean, that comes out to 18 to 20 cents a shot versus 12 cents a shot. You know, it just amazes me. You'll see these guys on the internet saying, well, I've shot 5,000 rounds through my Glock, and I'm thinking to myself, man, if you had taken that money you spent on factory loads and invested it into a good reloading press, you could have paid off for the press, you know, in little time. And then after that, you know, you're saving money because your cost is almost half. So anyways, that's my take on reloading. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go back outside, and I'm pretty excited. I've got 2 loads worked up with the Badman bullets, the 95 grain load. I've got a load set up for my Glock 42 and 380 ACP, and also for my Glock 26 and the 9mm. Stay tuned. Alright folks, this is the second location. I went to the other farm where I was at yesterday. The farmer's trying to get his last field planted. We've got thunderstorms moving in the area, so I'm going to try to get this video in real quick. I've got set up at 7 yards, typical combat range. I've got the Glock 42 in my Harry's holster. All right, here we go. Let's send some rounds downrange. All right. Once again, these are the Badman bullets. These are the 95 grain loaded in my Glock 42. I feel those sprinkles already. Oh man, it's gonna be a quick video. Woo! Alright folks, I'm gonna transition to the Glock 26. These are clocked at around 1350. Alright, still working on those double taps. Oh, come on. There we go. Now I got too many pockets this morning. All right, here we go. All right, let me load up some more of the 380. Stay tuned. All right, folks, I got some more rounds loaded up in the Glock 42 380 with the Badman bullets. Here we go. And it is raining. This is going to be quick. All right, Glock 26, here we go. This is what you call stress fire. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Absolutely. Well, that was the last mag. All right, folks. Well, there's some things you can't control, and obviously I can't control the weather. But I tell you what, these farmers need this rain. These fields are all planted. That's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll see you later.